Good evening friends, my name is Ashish Nandekeshwar Patil. And today's video topic is what is this keyword and what is super keyword. So and today's our date is 27th August 2021. So let's get started. So first of all, before going to this and super keyword, we want to discuss what is actually these keywords are used, where these keywords are used. So for that, we want to discuss what is constructor. So there are constructor is nothing but a method which is present in class, in all class. So there are two types of constructor over there. That is default constructor and a parameterized constructor. So the constructor is the method which calls first in the method. What actually is this? Suppose in your class of student is their class, and in that class, suppose student in that class, suppose add method will be there, subtraction method will be given there. So what actually happens is these methods are given, we know, but the compiler first call the constructor. That is the constructor with the method. That method is if you have given the method to the program, so it will be taken that, and suppose you haven't given that method in the program, so it will be taken as default. So that time default method will be run. So, and the constructor is the method which runs. This is the first method which runs in a program. So this is about the method in the constructor. And next, there are two types of that is default and parameterized. So what is parameterized constructor is? So suppose if in a class will be a student, and I want in that class, suppose I want a method that is void add int id and comma string now a string name will be there. So I have passing the parameter to the method. So what actually happens is when I make the object for that method in the main method, so at that time it asks me for passing the values of the ID and the student. Suppose if I have created the constructor that is suppose for the student class, I have created the constructor. So the name of the constructor and the class name is totally same. So name of the class and the constructor is totally same. So we have created the class that is of student. So by default our class name is also student. By default means it same class name and the constructor name is same. So public student and in the parenthesis double quotes and super will be there. So super is the keyword which executes first in the constructor method. So it is by default. So super is the keyword which is executed first in the constructor method. So that will be given. And next to that of is a public means public student and int id comma int num int name, and in the body we have to mention that this dot id equals to this dot id equals to id, and down to this dot name equals to name. So what actually happens, what actually the role of this in the constructor? So this is nothing but it pointed towards the parameter of the constructor, means it is acts like as a pointer. So this is this is used for that. And when I create the object for the main method in the main method, so suppose I have created that time I have having the two options for creating the object, that is a student with parameter. I want to create the means object for the student class, so I have two options for that is student without parameter and student with parameter. So suppose I have called the student with parameter parameter. So that time the constructor which I have the parameter which I have passed, that will be called by the method, called by the compiler. And suppose I have don't use the without the parameters, so that time the default constructor will be used. So this is all about the this and the super keyword. And thank you so much guys. Have a good day to all.